So we've got this thing mostly prepped. It's got my beveled edges on it. My top surface with my unfinished and well-used river running down the center, I would guess we would call that. That's just my initial prep. What I'm gonna do now is create a little bow tie to fix that crack, just so that doesn't continue. Use this piece of oak that I have here. Cut us a couple pieces out of the bandsaw. Sandpaper and chisel out the hole and get it set in there. Well, that's a good start. Chisel the rest of that out. I don't want a bunch of screws out. I want some screws out, but I want to make sure I have glue on all surfaces. That is why I put glue in the actual hole and on the piece. Sand on the top. From the eggs from the base. Folks, I've cut. I'm ready. We'll see you work on it tomorrow. So I've decided to go with that style of joint on the legs, or the base, I should say. I made up just a little quick mock-up. It's really loose, so I'm going to make the other joints actually a lot tighter than that, but that's what it's going to look like eventually. All the joints, all the legs. Got that one done. You can see, set up a little bit of a jig. I got my 10.085 degree jig right there. Helps me to begin my cuts to relieve my joint pieces. Finish that on the bandsaw. Yep. So far. Perks cut, fit, glued, holes drilled for the through dowels. Getting ready to cut the through dowels the bandsaw. We're going to cut them a little bit long. We're going to cut them a little bit long. We've got some poking out each side. Goes off with the pull saw so we get a nice clean look. Sand our parts, fit to the bottom of the tabletop, and put our cross members on. And then we'll give everything a final sand and assemble. We'll be done with this in a day or two.